Hi Kelly, it's Joe Blaylock out in Skamokaway, Washington. Hey, I just wanted to say thank you for the hat, the shirt, and had a great time watching Spin Up and seeing the outtakes from Spin Down. And thank you for all the stickers. Appreciate it. And I won't be flying alone. Thank you.
When I fly, I won't fly alone. I'm gonna fly with Ready, Set, Drone. 'Cause Ready, Set, Drone will always fly with me. Flying fast and flying free. Flying with friends is the life for me. 'Cause Ready, Set, Drone is my community. Now goggles and rotors and FPV, props and motors and ESCs, gimbals and cameras are what we use to fly. Sharing stories and swapping tales, amazing triumphs and epic fails. How will you know if you don't ever try? Ready, set, drone, spin up your props and plug in your phone. Fly with us and we think you'll agree. Ready, set, drone, what's the point of flying alone? Flying with friends will make you feel so free. So when I fly, I won't fly alone. I'm gonna fly with Ready, Set, Drone. 'Cause Ready, Set, Drone will always fly with me. Flying fast and flying free, flying with friends is a life for me. 'Cause Ready, Set, Drone is my community. Ready, set, drone, spin up your props and plug in your phone. Fly with us and we think you'll agree. Ready, set, drone, what's the point of flying alone? Flying with friends will make you feel so free. Flying with friends will make you feel so free.